Straight Talk's upgrade device brands do not match. Error happens when your phone's information, IMEI, doesn't line up with what Straight Talk expects, usually when activating or upgrading a phone you already own. BYOP, bring your own phone. This means Straight Talk's system thinks your phone's brand or type isn't right for their service. Here's why it happens. Your phone might still be locked to another carrier like Verizon or AT&T. It might be a type of phone Straight Talk doesn't fully support on the specific network you're trying to use, or there might be a simple glitch. You'll know this is the issue if you see that specific error message during activation. Fixing this quickly is key to getting your Straight Talk service up and running. First, use Straight Talk's online IMEI checker on their website or app to ensure your phone is compatible. If it's locked, contact your previous carrier to unlock it. Update your phone's software or try a factory reset as a basic fix. If problems persist, contact Straight Talk support. They might need to whitelist your IMEI or provide a new SIM card. As of September 2025, Straight Talk has improved its app, version 8.5, with better IMEI checks and eSIM activation for some phones to help prevent this. If none of these steps work, you might need to consider using a Straight Talk approved phone. Doing these checks beforehand saves time and avoids activation problems.